baru nyampe.
Oh
Kalau nggak
my
ikut
God,
malam
thank
ini,
you anyways. Thank you
kalau nggak ikut
being
malam ini
here.
kan ini malam terakhir ya belajar untuk di Advent One.
Iya, nanti besok sih rencananya ya. Kalau besok itu rencananya aku buat ini aja. Nanti terakhir aku kasih sedikit aja arahan buat yang dubbingnya itu ya. Sama ini tuh aku belum update temanku. Aku udah minta tolong sama temanku tapi belum update. Nanti coba aku kasih arahan lagi gitu ya. Oke, ada Sis Maifa juga. Welcome back to the class, Sis Maifa. Alright, so let's start right away. Kalau gitu kita akan mulai ya. Before I start the debate, yes, Sis Maifa?
I suddenly have a headache, so I won't be talking with my other team.
Yes. Yes, Sis Maifa, it's fine, it's fine. Oh, bentar, kameraku ngeliat.
I was like really exhausted from swimming lessons.
Yeah, it's okay, Sis Maifa. It's fine ya. You can participate passively. Nggak apa-apa, participate pasif aja.
Yes.
Oke, ini juga udah ada Bro Rahmat ya. Alright, so before I explain you the rules and the apa sih namanya, the instructions ya, atau kayak the systematics of this ya, please change your name or add ya. Silakan kalian rubah nama kalian atau kalian boleh jangan dirubah deh, ditambahin aja ya. Whether you are pro or cons. Jadi silakan ditaruh di dalam kurung, terus pro ya, all in capital, or cons, all in capital. Oke, please edit besides your name. Silakan ditambahin di samping nama kalian.
Pro sama apa tadi?
Ditambahin sis. Jadi kayak gini, di samping namanya kalian itu tim pro seperti ini ya, atau tim cons.
Editnya di mana sis? I don't know.
Oke. Bentar, aku kalau dari
di profil.
Di atas di profilnya kalian tuh ada yang ini, ada mute, terus ada juga yang titik 3. Itu nanti titik 3-nya diklik aja, bagian paling bawah ada rename. So you don't have to change all of your name ya, just add ya in a brackets ya, whether you are in a pro teams or con.
Meeting besok stop. Antar dulu cari belum ketemu.
Di atas fotonya kalian, di atas boxnya kalian itu loh.
Di
ya.
titik 3. Samping
3.
mute kalau pakai PC.
Samping mute ya.
Pakai HP ini.
Titik 3 pakai handphone. Aduh, pakai handphone gimana? Jarang pakai handphone soalnya ya.
Iya, saya ada laptop tapi saya nggak ada nggak ada apa ya. Wifi.
Coba, mungkin aku seingatku nih, coba ada Bro Rahmat. Bro Rahmat kemarin, what are you, bro? In which team?
Pro, sis.
Pro, okay, let me help you.
Kayaknya sama deh. Zoom pakai HP juga saya lihat.
Oh, maybe I have to.
Sis Grace, in which team you are in? Sis Grace masuk tim mana?
Okay. Thank you.
Kontra ya?
Thank you, sis.
Saya pro.
Di bawahnya.
Sis Rayana, which team you are in?
Pro.
Pro, ya pro.
No,
Pro.
Grace kontra.
Di HP lebih mudah. Ganti.
Yeah, that's right, Sis Lilis, you can. Boleh ya, boleh. Udah berubah belum sih? Kok nggak berubah ya?
Di HP di mana kok nggak ada nih di titik 3-nya?
Iya, tempatnya nggak
Di HP nggak ada.
Tulis di sini aja.
Ini lagi di HP.
Pro.
Nggak lagi di laptop ini.
Di meeting chat aja tulis.
Oke, ini kok nggak keluar ya pro dan cons-nya ya? Padahal aku udah tulis.
Saya left dulu deh.
Ya, better left
Oh,
dulu.
left dulu berarti ya.
Left dulu, left terus ganti namanya.
Iya. Oke.
So, Sis Lilis, you wanna be pro or cons?
I don't know. Aduh, to be honest, no. I don't know. I'm team silent, you know.
Oh, yeah. You just keep silent, right?
Yeah.
Don't say anything.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah. Nggak bisa. Gitu.
Oke, udah terlihat, Sis.
Aku bagaimana?
Yes.
Sudah ya?
Yeah.
Can you do my voice like echoing? Suaraku echoing nggak sih? Because in my side, my voice is like echoing.
No.
No.
It's
No, it's
normal.
fine. Ya, karena
It's good.
di tempatku suaranya echoing ya, kayak bergema gitu. Oke, tapi enggak ya di tempat kalian?
Enggak,
So let me check.
enggak, biasa aja, Sis. Alhamdulillah bisa didengar.
Oke, it's fine now. Oke, nah ini udah ya. Bro. Alright, then so let me just explain the rules in 5 minutes, 5 menit aja nggak usah lama-lama ya. So for the rules, everyone, there will be 3 sections of this debate. Yeah, actually 4 section, but for the 4th section, let's see the situation and condition. Yeah, okay. So the first section, each team will send or will welcome their delegate, yeah, to give main arguments, okay, base arguments or opening arguments, okay. And in this time, this is the longest portion for the speakers. Ini adalah porsi yang paling panjang untuk speakersnya. The speakers can speak for 5 till 7 minutes, okay, giving main arguments, okay. Each team, jadi masing-masing teams. And then after that, we'll be on the second section. Kita akan memasuki second section. In this second section, yeah, you can switch to the other member. Kalian bisa move ke member yang lain, ya, to give justification, evidence, ya, also refutation. Okay. Refutation. Jadi nanti kasih bukti dari argumen yang tadi dikasih ya dari timnya sendiri dan juga evidence-nya, data dan lain sebagainya. And also refutation atau kayak penolakan gitu ya terhadap argumen lawan. Oke, jadi nanti pas tim lawan lagi ngasih argumen, please don't be zone out ya everyone. You have to take some note lah ya. Silakan kalian take some notes like that. Oke. Also in this section ya, pada section kedua ini, kalian, ya, you are allowed to interrupt. Okay, you are allowed to interrupt your rival lah ya, atau tim lawan kalian. Kalian boleh memotong, interrupt, as long as the team excuse you to, ya, selama timnya ini mengizinkan kalian. Okay, but not to say disagree or agree, ya, bukan untuk menyetujui atau tidak menyetujui, ya. But if you find some data or some misinformation, then you can clarify it, ya. Jadi nanti kalian di section kedua ini kalian juga boleh memotong, ya, tapi harus dengan kalimat interruption, obviously, ya. Jadi kalian interupsi, nanti kalau diizinkan silakan interupsi. Tapi ini bukan tentang setuju tidak setuju, ya, atau penolakan, bukan. Di sini kalian hanya bentuknya klarifikasi, oke, atau membenarkan kalau ada misinformation. Misalkan tim pro bilang kalau misalkan, oh ini 25% data dari pengguna kredit card itu adalah anak-anak muda. Nah, padahal faktanya itu tahun 2020, tahun 2003 udah ganti. Yang paling banyak penggunanya adalah orang tua, misalkan orang dewasa di atas 25 tahun. Seperti itu ya. Jadi hanya untuk meluruskan, itu juga kalau diizinkan. Oke, jadi tim lawan atau tim yang diinterupsi ini berhak menerima, ya. You can say no or you can say yes. Oke, you can say no or you can say yes. Kalian bisa mempersilahkan atau kalian juga bisa menolak kayak gitu ya. And then we come to the third section, ya, kita akan datang ke section selanjutnya atau masuk ke section selanjutnya, itu section ketiga. Nah, nanti di sini kalian bisa saut-sautan. Oke, kalian bisa saut-sautan terkait dengan poin dari masing-masing tim. Oke, jadi ini sebenarnya kayak Q&A gitu, tapi kalian bisa saut-sautan. Ya, jadi misalkan, oh, ini tadi tim kalian menyatakan hal ini. Tapi padahal faktanya gini. How do you say that? Nah, jadi nanti kalian bisa saut-sautan gitu ya. You can be like double side conversation like that. Okay, and there is no lose or win in this debate, yeah. But I'm going to see how strong you can be to provide a good evidence and to justify your side. Itu yang dilihat dari debate ya. Jadi nggak menang kalah, tapi seberapa kuat kalian bisa menjustifikasi sisi kalian, mempertahankan opini dan pendapat kalian. Like that. Okay, it's pretty clear ya. Sudah sangat jelas ya teman-teman. Any question? Mungkin ada yang mau ditanyakan dulu?
Sis,
Yes, Sis Country, go ahead.
how do we decide to make a group function here? I mean, kita kan terdiri dari berapa? We consist of more than 4 person, right? So how do we separate? Or how do we make function people here? Who is the opener, maybe, and who is the conclusion? Who is the answer? So can we decide it, or not? Maybe just one person that can speak up in the beginning.
Okay, at least you can prepare 3. Ya, 3 member to be the speaker. Jadi speaker yang kasih main argument, speaker yang kasih justification evidence, ya, dan nanti refutation, ya. Terus yang ketiga adalah yang memberikan untuk membantu ya di bagian yang ketiga, yaitu bagian di saat kalian bisa merefute ya atau bahkan kalian menolak ya opini-opini atau argumen-argumen dari tim lawan. Kayak gitu. Nah, nanti di bagian ketiga ini yang tadi aku bilang. Jadi boleh nggak hanya speaker yang tadi itu, malah kalau bisa di rolling. Jadi yang belum jadi speaker ini, yang silakan memberikan. Ya, silakan kalian memberikan jawaban-jawaban kalian atau justification kalian. Jadi seperti itu pembagiannya.
Okay.
Is that pretty clear, Sis Country?
Yes, clear.
Alright, very good then. Now let's just start the debate section. I'm going to start by the pro team, I guess, yeah. Let's start with the pro team. So please, pro team, prepare your main speaker to give your best or first argument. Is the speaker ready? Okay.
Yes.
Please tell me.
Bro Surya,
Okay.
Can you read my chat on the WhatsApp first?
Okay, I think it's
Wait a
already.
minute.
Okay, you can start right away. I'm going to start the timer, yeah, by the time you speak.
Okay.
You agree that?
Yes.
Okay. So I think for the first is Bro Rahmat ya. Bro Rahmat, you
For
just read.
Oh,
Right? Yeah, you
I
just
read the PPT ya.
yes, you just read PPT number 1 to 3. Oh no, number 1 to 5. Yeah.
Okay, number 1 to 5 slide ya.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to start the timer by the time you speak.
Okay. Thank you for the participants. I will represent my pro teams. We are pro for credit card because easy and stylish, yeah, for using credit card. Okay. Next, maybe okay. Using a credit card can be a convenient and flexible way to make purchases, offering various benefits such as rewards and purchase protection. However, it is crucial to exercise responsible financial management, including timely repayment and monitoring of spending to avoid accumulating debt and maintain a healthy credit score. Okay. And then next, a credit card is a convenient device that saves you the trouble of counting your change based on Evan SR. The good things about credit card. Yeah, this is and then the first one, the good things about credit card. Okay, please go ahead. Can get a discount, so just pay cheaper. Yeah. For example, credit cards give rewards and benefits. Many credit cards offer rewards programs such as cashback, travel points, or discounts on specific purchases. This is we will see in the many platform if you want to find out the rewards, yeah, benefits. Okay, and then for example, yeah, this is normal price. This is have a monthly, yearly. Yeah. And
Okay,
then,
I will explain this page because this is
okay.
based my experience.
Oh, okay.
This is a phrase about TV cable, satellite TV in my home. They give me a normal price for yearly 2,376,000. For monthly 98,000. For discount price, they give me yearly, not monthly. If I pay yearly, so I just pay 1,250,000. And because I don't have much money to pay 1,250,000 at one time, so I use a credit card for this payment. So I pay 1 million on my credit card, and I pay my credit card monthly basis. So that is the same scenario. I pay monthly basis, but not in the company, but I pay in my credit card. So for saving, I saving 93,000 monthly, and I saving 1,126,000. This is a big amount, maybe. So that is the good thing of credit card. Continue, bro.
Oh, okay. My turn. Yeah. And then using a credit card can be a convenient and flexible way to make purchasing, offering various benefits and such as rewards and purchase protection. However, it is crucial to exercise responsible financial management, including timely repayment and monitoring of spending, to avoid accumulating debt and maintain a healthy credit score. Okay. Yes.
Oh, sorry, bro. Okay.
Oh, still,
sorry.
yeah.
Okay, I will continue because this is my best experience also. Credit card, it can be used when we make payment to overseas. I make payment for transactions to companies in another country. Every month I make payment around over 10 transactions. I must pay $35 for the bank fee if I use a bank transfer. But for credit card, that is free. So I calculate the saving. Let's see, minimum transaction is 10. So 10 every transaction I can save. Every 10 transaction I can save 350. So I saving every month 5,250,050 rupiah. So that is a big amount. So that is a good thing about a credit card. If you using a credit card for make payment to overseas, that is free. Different if you use bank transfer.
My turn. Discount. It can be used also daily, like when we use a credit card that is aligned to a shopping place, we can get a discount. For instance, Megabank and Transmart. The solution, it can be our temporary angel in emergency situation like health issue or fare for train or flight ticket. Who again?
Still you.
See, huh?
Because this is
still-
your experience, right?
Oh yeah. Cash advance. Even we can use cash advance. If we need cash special offerings, there are special offering at any special moment like Eid, Christmas, the end year, Chinese years, and Independence Day. We can get a fine and cashback or can use a reward.
Okay.
Okay, your turn. See
Yes.
country.
Yeah. I think a key when we use a credit card is please be wise to use it and how to manage it. First, consider your salary condition. If you only have 30% of your salary left, so please don't use it. Second, consider buying good stuff with 0% of bank interest. Third, please consider consuming in order to invest product so we can get a good return on investment like gold, diamond, camera, and business stuff. The last, please calculate your expense using a credit card. Okay, next. I think let's continue with Meifa. Meifa, are you there?
Meifa headache. Cannot.
Oh, Sis
I think
Amalia
she
maybe.
had
Okay.
Diana?
He already
She
said
got
he headache.
Okay, Sis
Oh,
Amalia.
Sis
Oh, I'm
Amalia
sorry.
maybe.
Yes, is Amalia.
Sis Amalia.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'm
I
sorry
will
for
continue.
team pro team.
Yeah.
I'm really sorry, but your time is already up. Yeah, it's already 7
Okay.
minutes 40 seconds. Okay, so let's cut it first from now. Yeah, you can give it later in the second section. Now, let's move on. Thank you for your good arguments. Yeah, I already take some notes of it. And now let's move on to the contra team. Okay, please. Team Contra, you have 7 minutes to give your main arguments, and I'm going to start the time by the time you speak.
Okay, sister, I'm so sorry because I'm not understand the rules because you said we not ya nggak usah ini kan nggak usah wajib bikin PPT terus yang ngomong kan cuma 2 orang jadi kita
It's fine, Sis Gilang.
Ya,
The
jadi
PPT is not mandatory, yeah. So it's okay if you don't show the the PPT or the presentation.
ya cuman maksudnya jadi kita juga untuk presentasinya hanya untuk 2 orang aja. Jadi untuk ini Sister Eva sama Bro Cepi. Jadi untuk grup kita mungkin langsung aja ya.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I'm going to see your arguments, yeah. Not only the PPT, but the arguments. So don't worry about that. It's not mandatory, ya. Even if you make PowerPoint, walaupun kalian misalkan seperti timnya Sis Country membuat PowerPoint, itu sebenarnya untuk memudahkan timnya sendiri, ya, tim kalian sendiri, like that. It's not on my scoring system like that, so don't worry. I will see purely on your argument. Okay, please, Team Contra. I'm going to start the timer by the time you speak.
If you want using our PowerPoint, it's okay.
Okay, please don't cut it. Udah
Bukan
Surya,
itu
don't cut it ya. Oke,
kalau
please
kalau ini kalau
start
kalau
for
memang
tim kontra.
maksudnya kan kalau misalnya memang seperti itu, seperti presentasi sebelumnya kita juga persiapan gitu, bukan nggak
Pasti
boleh.
ya, actually
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Okay. I
Sebenarnya
will
gitu.
go easy.
Okay, let's go.
Take it easy, yeah, because
Time.
this is not a competition, yeah. This is
Yeah.
yeah, that's right. Okay, no problem.
We just learn together.
okay. Yes, this is the learning and teaching
Yeah.
process, yeah.
Yeah, so even if you make one, walaupun kalian buat itu sebenarnya untuk memudahkan, and I'm not
Yeah.
take it as a mandatory, aku nggak mewajibkan juga ya. Sis Country juga kayaknya mendadak karena tadi tanya ke aku juga baru kapan gitu, sis buat PPT gimana ya, boleh silakan untuk memudahkan gitu ya. Kalau untuk memudahkan tim kalian, it's okay, make it. But if you don't need that, it's fine as well ya. Oke, sis Eva, you will be giving your first arguments, please.
Yes, I'm the first.
No.
Go check it.
Argument. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. I have soon
Okay.
the argument disagree, and the one trap of deep. And number one, the risk is interest expense when withdrawing cash and making banks. And number three, high loans interest has hefty late payment penalties. Okay, and then credit card costs. A, lack of credit card loss of additional costs when using a credit card. There are several types of fees that you have to pay to the company. B, associated with credit card. Associated with credit score. The credit score is something that can determine whether your loan's application is accepted or not. And C, the disadvantage of the credit card are that they have interest rate. There are other fees and strict rules. Okay, make edits. The bad impact of the first credit card is that it can make use wasteful. Actually, this back gain at the policy of the user. However, if you are someone who is easily tempted, you'll be vigilant. The reason there will be various kind of attractive promo offered by the bank. Have another way to pay online. For now, we already have another choice. We can buy the online while banking, OVO, Shopee, Gojek, and ITC. Thank you is the argument my group. Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
You still have time?
Gilang.
Okay. For team contra, you still have time. If you want to add your argument, please.
Yeah, I will give some addition. While credit cards offer convenience and flexibility, they also have a certain weakness here and potential risk. Here are some common weaknesses associated with using credit cards. The first one is high interest rates. Credit cards often have high interest rates, especially if the balance is not paid off in full each month. If cardholders carry a balance, they can accumulate significant interest charges over time, leading to increased debt. And the second one is debt accumulation. Credit card encourage overspending and lead to the accumulation of debt. The ease of making purchases with a credit card can tempt individuals to spend beyond their means, resulting in financial strain and potential difficulties in repayment. And then the third one is risk of identity theft and fraud. Yes, credit card transaction involve the exchange of sensitive personal
and financial information. If this information is compromised, it can lead to identity theft or fraudulent charges. Yeah, cyber criminals may intercept card details during online transaction or gain access to cardholder data through data breaches or card skimming devices. And the fourth one is fees and penalties. Credit cards often come with various fees, including annual fees, late payment fees, cash advance fees, and foreign fees also. Yeah, maybe. The fifth, impulse spending. Credit cards can make it easier for individuals to make impulsive purchases. That availability of credit can lead to a mentality of buy now, pay later, which can result in financial instability and difficulty in budgeting and saving. And the last, potential for debt cycle. If credit card balances are not paid off in full each month, individuals can fall into a cycle of revolving debt. Minimum payments may only cover interest charges, causing the principal balance to remain largely unchanged or increase over the time. Yes, that's the weakness of the using credit cards that already discussed by our team. Thank you.
Okay, very nice. 6 minutes, yeah, very good. Okay, I got some very interesting point here, everyone. Each team has their own strong argumentation, yeah. So I want to assure you that you have not some point and maybe you want to review those points from your rival team. Okay, so let's just start your refutation evidence. Yeah, please give your evidence and justification. Also, if you have some refutation, then you can give it right away. Please, right now, let's start with Team Contra first. Okay, Team Contra, please give more evidence, justification, and your refutation towards Team Pro. Go ahead.
Yeah, okay, maybe I can give my I can deliver my thought about using credit cards because our groups think that it's not so important to using this card because maybe because using credit cards have a lot of weakness, and we think only less kurang not have many benefit in our life, maybe because especially in the people in a rural area, maybe it's not important to use it. Maybe it's important also with the people who live in the big city. So tidak merata keuntungan penggunaannya. Yeah. That's all from us.
Okay, that's it. Kita move dulu ya. Jadi ini untuk durasinya 2 minutes to speak ya. Jadi 2 menit karena jawab-jawab ya. So please dari tim kontra, mungkin you want to give your first justification, evidence, or refutation. Go ahead.
This country, do you want?
You turn.
Okay.
You first.
Okay. Since Eva say that is no benefit I give underline to no benefit, so I will share again my screen. This is based my experience. So 1 million, that is a big benefit. No one maybe not easy to get 1 million. That is a big benefit. And for the second experience, my experience is 5 million. Every 10 transaction to overseas, I saving 5 million. So if you say that is not benefit, so I not understand what do you mean is benefit in here, because this is a big benefit for me.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I will. But I didn't say that not have a benefit, but I say the using credit cards is not more important. Yeah, not more important, because we know that using credit cards, it's implied to the people. It applies to the people in the city only, but in the rural people who live in a rural area, I think it's not important. Yes.
This I stay in Lombok. I'm not stay in on the city, so that is my answer. I stay in the village and I use credit card.
Yeah, but because you have you work in one company that that suit you to use it, but the people who live in rural area like us, I don't think so. I don't think there is important for us. Yes.
Yeah, because you cannot using credit card in the market. But this is that is not the point. That is not the point.
Not the market,
okay,
yeah, but more
yeah.
like traditional market.
Because that is the point.
Yeah.
Not the point.
Yeah,
Well,
even not about how to use in the market. Yeah, here also, some places, some market also provide credit cards to payment something. But I think it's not important for me to using credit card, because I can pay it on cash. Yeah, and I can use as we know nowadays there are many wallet digital like Dana, OVO, Brimo, etc. That's I think it's not important for using credit card. Yes.
Okay,
So
can I add my opinion? I want to ask you before, Sis Eva. So how does people, when they face in emergency situation and they want to installment or they want to loan, how do they get money? I mean, in a traditional way, yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, in a traditional way, people can ask money with a rentainer, like
Yeah.
a rentainer, like maybe the third party that not saving yet because they don't really monitored by the OJK, right?
Yes.
So I guess the credit card is the one solution in a legal agreement, because the credit card is watched by OJK. So I think why do people, the traditional people, I mean not traditional people, yeah, tapi like the small city is not familiar yet how to use it, because they still feel like they don't really know to comparing when they use a credit card or they can rent a money from another people, right? That never watched by the legal body. Can you get my point?
Yeah.
So I think when we compare to a traditional way, I think the credit card is better, right? Because we agree to follow the agreement. I think I asked your question about why the credit card is not merata, is not a common common stuff, common thing for our majority in Indonesia, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's it from my side.
Yeah, that's why I told you that the benefit of using credit card is not merata, like I say, because I think it's the benefit of using credit cards, it's depend on when we live, where we live. Yeah, maybe you as a people who live in a big city and have many various working or by using internet or yang seperti yang canggih lah untuk teknologi. Yeah, maybe you have benefit for using a credit card.
Sis, technology is the future.
Yeah, okay. Technology is a future. Yeah, I agree with you.
So everyone must prepare for future, and everyone must know using credit card because online payment in the future is very important.
Yeah, but
So we can
the word, yes, but the word cannot force us to using that or using it because many way to buy something, to pay something by not only using credit cards.
Yeah. So my questions: how do they face in emergency situation? How do they face the problem that?
Yeah.
I mean,
what emergency do you
maybe like the healthy issue, like my experience.
Yes.
You must pay 20 million.
Yeah, I have to pay
Yes.
the debit first, to the hospital. Then my mom doesn't have any money at the time. And then my mom's friend said, okay, you can use my credit card. And thanks God, it's kind of, I think twice about the credit card, So that's why the one of benefit credit card is like the angel backup, like the angel backup, right? It's not consumption, but the angel backup. Because we're in emergency situation and we don't have any money. So my question is, what do? You sell something on your stuff maybe, or your goods, or you can use a second way.
Yeah. The point is credit card give you big loan.
Yeah,
big loan, but you must manage your credit card. Bro Rahmat know how manage the credit card.
Yeah, I agree with you. In a certain things, we need using credit cards in a certain things, but not at all. Yeah, okay, not at all.
So you agree that? You agree that
I agree in a certain thing.
Okay, you can join. You can join to our group if you want.
Because not everyone can also make a credit card because there are requirements that cannot be.
Yes, agree. So that's why. So that's why we agree.
That's why
to use credit card. That's right.
That's why I told you. That's why
if you agree, you can join to our group.
No. I
have many space here.
I don't know this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not important for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
but Chinese people using
Okay.
credit card.
Wow.
Okay, well, I already take some note about this. Yeah, this is the refutation that Team Contra gave to the Team Pro. Yeah, the first one is that use digital wallet as an alternate or cash. Okay, so there are still a lot of alternative way for us to do our payments or financial needs. So not only credit cards. Besides, it is also not suitable for all layers of society, especially for those who live in rural area. Okay, and then the second one is that it is not suitable for various situations. In certain situation, like maybe like what Bro Surya mentioned, when you are abroad, okay, or when you need an emergency cash or emergency money, then it will be beneficial. But it is not in a complex or in various situation. That's the refutation that Team Contra give to the Team Pro, and then this is the refutation that Team Pro give to the Team Contra. The first one is that cash or this digital wallet is actually also not suitable for all type of society, especially in rural area, because they will choose something else, such as an illegal money, what is that say? Like illegal money peminjaman uang gitu ya. And then this activity is very tied to party or company necessities. Yeah. So not all people are tied to a party, sebuah partai, or a company, yeah. And although they can use this kind of credit card, so maybe it will tie to party or company necessities. This is the refutation that Team Contra give to Team Pro. Okay, so maybe lastly, yeah, you can give your evidence and data.
Actually breaking up.
Please, si Salma ya.
Your data, okay, your data evidence, please give your data evidence. After that, please give your conclusion. Start from Team Pro maybe ya, this time. Boleh, Team Pro. Please, Team Pro, you can give your... Okay, Team Pro, you can give your data, okay, data-based evidence, okay, and then after that, you can give your conclusion, and then after that, Team Contra will also give their database evidence and the conclusion. Please, Team Pro first, Team Pro dulu ya.
Okay. Data, you can search the benefit for using credit card in the Google. That is because if I say in here, maybe you not you guess me I'm lie, but search it for yourself. And the conclusion, maybe you can see in the screen. Can you all see the screen? The smile of the girl. Okay, you see the smile of the girl. The girl after using credit card, this is the smile.
She's look like she's happy.
She was happy.
I think she smile because the tagihan is big.
Yeah, because she using credit card.
No, because advantage.
Remember the smile. Remember the smile. Very sweet. Very sweet because she after using credit card. So that is the conclusion.
Yeah, I think I want to add a bit. Yeah, we don't we don't provide the actual data about the credit card, but last night we discussed and shared about our experience. Like Bro Surya told us, if we can select a credit card from a provider bank and we can learn the offering, right? So we can get the benefit like apa Bro Surya yang kamu
Free.
bilang free apa free annual fee, you know?
Annual fee.
Yeah,
Yes,
annual
10
fee
years free annual
for
fee.
10 years.
Yeah, 10
Yeah,
years.
but
10 years.
but
Yeah.
I couldn't get that because I'm using a BCA, but I tried. I'm using the BCA because the BCA has a tight regulation and really tight to select a customer, right? The customer user. So that's why they really consider and they really calculate our payment and our salary. So they thought that if we overuse limitation, so we consider on your salary. So be safe and it's okay. It will save you. And then the last is, I think I'm look at in a bad experience. For the bad experience, like my friends has a bad experience. My father's died, meninggalkan hutang credit card. But her father used 10 provider bank, and 10 credit card, and the total amount is 400 millions. So in case that case means they don't consider and select the right the bank first. I'm only use one bank provider because I know what my salary condition, right? And I know what is my payment. I think that's it. Thank you. Thank you, Sis Salma. Where are you?
And I will tell you the little secret.
What is that?
If you go to MACD.
Oh, am I audible? Can you hear me clearly?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm so sorry.
If you go to MACD and you use credit card,
Big
they
question
give
ya.
you many balance.
Big discount ya. Big
Many
discount.
balance.
Why you
They give you
accent like
many balance
Indians,
in
bro?
MACD if you using credit card.
Bro Surya,
So-
Bro Surya, why this night your accent like Indian?
Because my boss is Indian.
Oh,
I see.
oke.
I see.
Jadi ini kayak terbawa ya. Learning
Yes,
by
before the lesson I'm meeting with my boss.
Oh, that's nice. That's good. Okay. Well, anyways, that's a very good conclusion and also like evidence. Yeah. By this, there are a lot of discounts and other various benefits that credit cards can offer. Also, maybe compared to those who got lost or like who the user or the consumer that use credit card and result in loss, there are more consumers who already enjoy the benefits of credit card. Yeah. However, let's hear about Team Contra evidence, and justification. Also, the conclusion of the arguments. Please, Team Contra. Team Contra, maybe Bro Cepi or Sis Gilang or anybody, please give. Because I think Sis Eva already talked enough, Okay, Team Contra, we got Sis Gilang, Bro Cepi, and then Sis Grace. Yeah, that's all. Okay, please, Team Contra, give your last justification and the conclusion as well.
Yeah, I think maybe only the conclusions is because justification is already solved before. So I represent my group to make a conclusion about using credit cards. While credit cards offer convenience and flexibility, they also have certain weakness and potential risk. Yeah. Yes. And to mitigate this weakness, responsible credit card usage is essential. Yeah. That's the conclusion of from my group about using credit cards, I think. Thank you.
Okay, thanks a lot for your conclusion, Sis Eva. That's right, yeah. With all of the benefits, there are still also a bunch of potential risk, yeah. And not all people or not all consumers, yeah, can cope with this potential risk, ya. Nggak semua orang bisa cope with this potential risk. Some people might really get lost and they might be yang tadi dibilang oleh tim kontra, ya. It will cause revolving a debt cycle. Jadi akan ada debt cycle di sini atau cycle berhutang gitu ya, membiasakan berhutang. Gitu. Alright. Wow, that's such a very, very good debate. Ya, agak asik tadi, especially in the section 2. Alright, so that's it, the end of the debate. I close the section ya. Thank you everyone. Oke, mungkin Bro Surya boleh di-close dulu dong, Bro. PPT-nya, iya kamu udah dikirim ke grup kok, aku udah lihat ya, jadi nanti biar aku cek by myself. Okay, well, it is very hard for me to decide ya, because you both are really strong and, you know, stand with your side gitu ya. Kalian sama-sama strong nih untuk mempertahankan ya, to justify your argumentation. First is the contra team. I like the way you always have like a reason, yeah. And even when Sis Eva like spilling the point at first, there are a lot of point that Sis Eva spill, ya. Jadi banyak sekali poin-poin yang diantarkan atau dikasih sama Sis Eva. Like that. And when Sis Kantri give questions, Bro Surya reviewed, Sis Eva still able to answer that, ya. Also tadi yang penjelasannya dari Bro Cepi di awal juga itu like short but very complex gitu. Jadi memang pendek tapi sudah cukup kompleks gitu. Also that's for Team Kontra, very great. And for Team Pro, I love that because you came up with the question. Ya. Jadi tadi Sis Kantri itu ada ngide gitu ya. Jadi ada pertanyaan yang mana, nah biasanya kalau udah ada pertanyaan ini cukup meragukan and challenging for tim rival, ya nggak Sis Eva?
Ya, benar-benar banget.
Ya kan, came up with a question. Nah itu aku paling mati gaya tuh kalau udah tim lawan. Aku udah paling mati gaya ya.
Bisa terpojok kepepet.
Itu trik salah satu Miss Eva.
Yeah, that's right. But that's cool. Tapi keren ya, Sis Eva keren karena bisa menjawab ya. Makanya kemarin aku bilang kan, jadi siapkan juga nih pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang siapa tahu ya kan, aku bilang ya dikasih sama tim lawan. Karena biasanya kalau udah nanya pertanyaan gitu ya, apalagi mereka tanya pertanyaan tapi pakai poin kita. Kayak tadi kan dari tim pro itu ngasih pertanyaan menggunakan poinnya tim kontra ya kan. Oh ini ada alternate e-wallet gitu kan, atau digital money, tapi nggak semua orang loh bisa pakai digital money. Nah, itu kan kayak udah poin tim lawan malah dijadiin bahan gitu ya. Nah, jadi quite challenging, but that's very great overall ya. Tapi bagus banget sih. The question, I love it. And the structure, ya, you're very well, not structured dong, very well organized. Jadi rapi penyampaian. Actually, both same are very well organized. Okay, then that's it, everyone ya. Itu aja. Very nice for the speaking as well. You have improved a lot ya. Nanti aku akan update lagi untuk apa tuh namanya, dubbing kita atau last project kita, but maybe by WhatsApp aja ya. Alright, so lastly, I think let's take a picture together. Kita foto bareng-bareng dulu kali ya. Ini suaraku jelas terdengar nggak?
Yes.
Okay, let's take picture together. Please switch on your camera, everyone. Silahkan nyalakan kameranya. Ini, aduh, malam ini kurang lengkap deh kita.
Don't use credit card. Your age is.
Masih belum ikhlas nih Bro Surya nih, masih belum ikhlas.
Ini Bro Surya
dia seller tahu.
Promoting
dia
ya.
Sales itu.
Arwah penasaran.
Sales banget, iya.
Ya mau prospek aku nih supaya pro nih.
Ini japri ini.
Oke, well, ini di tempatku yang kelihatan cuma sis country, Bro Surya yang tadi cuman pada on cam aja, ada sis Lilis juga kelihatan, nggak semuanya kelihatan. Maybe one of you can help me to take the picture ya. Ayo, dan jangan lupa dihitung 1, 2, 3 biar semuanya pada pose dan siap untuk dipoto.
Okay, I will do it. I'll do it. Yeah.
Okay, sis Eva,
Okay.
thank you.
And I count 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Okay.
Satu
Okay,
lagi ya,
thank you.
gaya bebas.
No.
Oke, semuanya yang belum nyalain kamera silakan nyalakan ya. Yang masih gelap-gelapan silakan cari yang terang ya. Yang belum makan dulu silakan. Boleh.
Yes.
Kelamaan ya. Oke, sis Eva, please one more time, sis Eva.
Okay. I count 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, wow, fantastic. Alright, I really want to thanks a lot for sis Eva ya. Terima kasih ya sis sudah membantu fotoin tadi. And also, I want to thanks to all of you ya. Aku mau berterima kasih banget sama kalian semua ya, because I have such a very wonderful month ya, this month. Bulan ini sangat fantastic because I'm meeting such a very unique personality as you are, everyone. I think it will be hard for me to move on ya, Widi.
Yes.
Okay, and don't forget to tag the next level. Jangan lupa buat lanjut dong ke next level, itu udah ada yang ngelis kan, udah di up sama sis CS-nya, jadi silakan ya langsung aja daftarin, masukin nama kalian di sana. Okay?
Gimana country? Kita lanjut.
Aku juga, iya, ayo lanjut yuk.
Lanjut, Bro Chan gimana?
Lanjut nggak Bro Chandra?
Ayo lanjut.
Ya, ini mungkin Bro Surya boleh silakan dipromosikan
Bro
juga ya,
Surya
Bro
nggak
Surya.
Yes, I will continue. I will using credit card for payment.
Ya, boleh banget.
Yeah.
Ya. Jadi boleh banget lanjut. Kalau di next next itu apa ya? Kayaknya next itu aku agak lupa ya. Kayaknya tentang gini juga sih, asik-asikan juga ya. Nah, nanti di next kalau kita masih ketemu lagi teman-teman, biasanya kalau misalkan satu kelas ini langsung gitu ya, lanjut lagi sama-sama lagi. Nanti next class, next program, next periode kita bongkar song analisis ya, kita analisis lagu, poetry analisis, kita analisis poetry, dan juga movie analisis, analisis film. Oke, jadi asik banget deh pokoknya. So don't forget to re-register yourself.
Okay, sis.
Okay. Wow.
And using credit card for payment.
Yes, you can.
And
You can use credit
tonight, the
for
last
payment.
tonight or last day?
Tomorrow kalau untuk
tomorrow.
besok sepertinya akan ada, cuman nggak kelas ya. Jadi nanti aku kasih arahan aja paling. Kalian bisa langsung proses kok ya untuk dubbingnya. Nanti aku kasih arahan. Paling besok kalaupun ketemu kita say goodbye aja gitu ya, kesan dan pesan. Like just a short meeting, Sis Riana.
Oke.
Wah, Bro Chandra kamu ketinggalan. Oke, kita tinggalin Bro Chandra aja yuk semuanya. Have a great night everyone. Thanks a lot for your participation tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Thank you.
See you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Bye.